I can feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
Don't wanna put them away, I feel. Yeah. Go.
Seems like she's one fat city belly. Yup. Seems like it just needs somebody.
Gonna know me alright.
Look how curving brute it up there. Smart.
Go.
Now just to let you know, she loves to jump. If she jumps in, she jump up. Female crocodiles can lay up to 60 eggs.
How often?
How often? Once per year,
Okay.
which takes 90 days to hatch. Only 5 to 6% will come to maturity. Reason why? Because some of the egg gets spoiled. Birds and mongoose, they help to destroy some of the eggs. And whenever the eggs hatch, the male crocodiles, they will eat the baby ones. Because they want to be dominant, they don't share the female.
Hey.
They would lay the eggs in the sand. 18 feet soil at the bed of the river, which gives it a dark reflection, like painting their pool blue and the water reflects blue, crystal clear. And most of all, it's also convenient to drink. You want to taste water?
That one, look what more.
What about the only crocodile peep in them? Now today
Can't miss him. Blessings, uncle. You brave, sir. You have to do what you have to do. Be careful, sir. Bamboo. No, allow me to wait for this. Go. No man on unbalance about here now.
Yeah, Japanese say phone.
Please, me I beg you.
Come on the other side.
Go. Wow. Here we go.
I'm told them.
I want to see. Come inside.
You sure?
And they want tilt, right?
Go. That big one. You go over there. Fight.
Whoa. Get on. What's your one? Both are straight.
This crocodile is like 16 feet, around 50 years, and he weighs over 1,000 pounds.
Yes, you're 16 feet, brother. Come here, boy.
Look up. I saw you say photogenic. Look at it. Yes, man. Of course.
was kind of feeling that. Never see money that big about cut.
My boss.
The fence one fixed him.
See the dog right out the sky.
Close up till you.
Yeah, he has to let me go.
My guess should come on. Years and it's tomato. Feed them regularly inside here with chicken. Get the crocodiles from off the road, keep the homes. What we do inside here, we keep the crocodiles.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.